Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your theme on Instagram, so let's get right into it. Now, the only themes that you can choose on Instagram, or the only things you can choose between, are dark mode and light mode, and I'm going to show you how you can change them right now. Now, usually Instagram is going to default to your device theme. However, you can very easily change that with this method. In the bottom right, what you're going to want to do first is click on your profile icon to get to your profile page. Then you're going to go into the top right and click on the three bars simply to enter your settings and activity page. From here, you're going to make changes to your profile, your Instagram app, and everything from permissions and settings and how you interact with other people, but you're going to want to scroll down until you get to your app and media. From here, you're going to want to go into accessibility and translations, and as you can see, dark mode is the second option, which you're going to want to click. From here, as you can see, currently it is set to my system default, which is dark mode. You can turn on dark mode by clicking on, or you can turn it off by clicking off, and as you can see, it changes to light mode immediately. I'm just going to keep it at system default simply because I like the dark mode. So that is pretty much all you need to do. It is as easy as that. There are themes in chats as well, so I'm going to show you how you can do that very quickly. Just go into your chats, go into any chat, click on the top of the chat to enter the chat options, then click on theme and then choose whichever theme you want. For example, I'll choose Splash, and now that theme is changed, and as you can see, the theme of the chat looks different. And that's all there is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.